Hello guys and welcome after a while. If you remember, last time I offer everyone free Pinterest masterclass, like free course you can sign up and learn, and I'm happy to see that many of you participate to this free Pinterest masterclass and learn many new things. And now I hope from many feedbacks I get privately from you on my email, you have a result exactly like I predict that any of you, if you are consistent in this thing what you are doing, can get. And this free Pinterest masterclass will remain open for everyone who still want to participate. Actually, it's very easy, and right now only thing what I change here is that you simply go to join this Pinterest course, and you have just one step to fill, and that's to put your email to unlock content, and you will get everything open immediately, because many of you also requested that I open you all classes at once, that you can pick what you know better and so on. And okay, in the end I agree, because some people are more advanced users, some people are total beginners, so this is really free masterclass and you will find what you are looking for depending of your level skills. But at this moment what I want to talk with you is my new course what I'm giving you for free. Main difference between Pinterest masterclass and this affiliate marketing easy way how to learn it is that this is not fully video course. You will have everything explained in articles. And point is that I really decide to prepare around 20 different things what you should learn here in depth, really in depth, showing you some examples how I start to make things from the beginning, and what is the main and most important steps what you should follow that you in the end start to feel some success. But point is, you need to understand this is long-term process. You cannot expect a result. Okay, I watch your or I read your first article and now I will apply it, and tomorrow I'm going to have some good, perfect, excellent results. That's not the way how this works. You will need to learn everything what I'm going to explain in this course, and you will need to make A/B testing by yourself. But first let me explain you what you have to do. So you will simply go, you will see in top right corner you have link to learn affiliate marketing for free, and you will put your name here, and you will put your email here, and you will press subscribe to unlock. When you press subscribe to unlock, this screen will wait until you receive email from system, confirm email, and after you confirm email, 10 seconds after that, everything will simply be unlocked as fast as you see right now. And here you have 3 different chapters, and I really advise you to start from lesson number 1. And this is first advice how you can choose your affiliate niche. And this is really basic steps, because many people think that they can do many things in the same time, and this is simply not possible. You will not only what I explained here, you will also need to have some additional tools to follow your success. And listen me now very carefully. If you after this video or any other video decide to open your brand new blog on brand new domain, you should not expect any result in at least next 6 to 9 months. No freaking way. And even if you do some promotion, even if you do some backlink building, if you do many things to speed up this process, you simply cannot cheat the way how Google works. And second thing, if you fail in research what you are writing about, which keywords you pick, how to rank on Google, all this process also can be one huge failure and wasting of time for anyone. So please guys, I really put a lot of time and a lot of my experience and a lot of my effort to mirror knowledge I learn and show you step-by-step things what you have to do and what's the only right way. And listen this very carefully. What's the only right way how you can with small steps start to feel even smaller results after a while in affiliate marketing. Because you will notice that many affiliate marketers in the end start to have results from YouTube, not from website. You understand what's the paradoxical situation here? They will teach you how you can build your website, but they will have results from YouTube. And that's funny. I understand that. And they will transfer everything from what you see on YouTube, or you register to email list and sell everything through email marketing. So that's not something what I'm going to teach you here. I will teach you how you can build micro niche website, and you can expect after a while some traffic where you can place affiliate products, Google ads or whatever. On traffic you are going to gain organically, but this will require some time. Only thing what you need, you should consider this not like your main job. It should be your hobby or some part-time job or free time passion, however, but you need to approach this very seriously. One way or another, you need to put a lot of effort in this. Daily 1 hour, daily 2 hours, more you can provide in this process, faster you will gain some feedback. So here, first thing what I just want to show you is what you have to do, that you register and access this free course about affiliate marketing. And you will see now, once when you are registered, every lesson what you click here will be fully open for you, and I start to step by step explain all what you need to learn here. And you will see on the right side in sidebar you have here links to next lessons followed from last to first, okay, but you can simply go back and continue with this course. Trust me, it's very good. It's really in depth, and you can learn many things, or if you know them, you can repeat or compare your knowledge with this what I try to bring to you. And you can, of course, put me some comments here that we compare. If you have some questions that I can answer to you, or that we can compare simply some experience from your side and my side, and we find middle solution or best solution for both of us. So guys, don't waste your time. If you want, simply link is in description. Go put your email and everything will be for free, and everything will open in 1 second. And enjoy this. That's it. It's for you and it's for free. See you next video.